Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the finest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of Indian cuisine with a spotlight on the best chicken korma sauce available, Patak's Korma Curry Cooking Sauce. If you're a fan of delicious, creamy curries, this one's for you. Let's start by taking a closer look at what makes Patak's Korma Curry Cooking Sauce stand out from the rest. This mild and flavorful sauce comes in a 15-ounce jar, perfect for your next homemade Indian feast. It's a product by Patak's, a renowned brand in the world of Asian sauces, known for its authentic flavors. Now, let's talk about what's inside this jar. Patak's Korma Curry Cooking Sauce is known for its rich and creamy coconut flavor, making it a great choice for those who enjoy a milder spice profile. It's versatile, suitable for chicken, meat, and even vegetarian options. Before we dive into the details, let's see what some customers have to say about this sauce. As you can see, it has received mixed reviews. Some praise it for its mild, coconut-infused flavor, while others have had concerns about packaging and taste. Now, let's talk about how to use this sauce to create a mouth-watering chicken korma dish. It's super easy. Just follow these steps. Heat a pan and add your choice of protein or vegetables. Once cooked, pour in Patak's Korma Curry Cooking Sauce. Simmer until the sauce is heated through and your ingredients are coated. Serve it hot with rice, naan bread, or your favorite side. In conclusion, Patak's Korma Curry Cooking Sauce is a convenient and delicious way to enjoy authentic Indian flavors at home. While it has received mixed reviews, many appreciate its mild and creamy taste, making it a great choice for those who enjoy a milder curry. If you've tried this product before, we'd love to hear about your experience. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't already, consider giving it a try and see if it becomes your go-to chicken korma sauce. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.